if the best-selling electric SUV just got even better? The 2026 Tesla Model Y is here with some serious upgrades. Let's dive in and see what's new. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the refreshed 2026 Tesla Model Y. Introduction. Tesla has refined the exterior with sleeker headlights, a redesigned front fascia, and smoother body lines. The result is a more modern, aerodynamic look that still feels unmistakably Tesla. Inside, the cabin gets upgraded materials, new ambient lighting, and redesigned seats that offer noticeably better comfort for long drives. Performance. The 2026 Model Y continues to deliver that instant torque electric drivers love. The long-range variant offers an estimated range of over 330 miles, while the performance model rockets from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. Handling remains tight and responsive, making it equally enjoyable on city streets and highway cruising. Features and technology. Technology is where this Model Y really shines. The updated infotainment system is faster and more intuitive, featuring improved voice commands and seamless smartphone integration. Tesla's full self-driving package has also received notable improvements, offering smoother lane changes and better navigation through complex traffic. Plus, over-the-air updates mean the car keeps getting better long after purchase. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Model Y worth considering? If you want a versatile, tech-forward electric SUV, it's hard to ignore. Whether you're upgrading from an older Model Y or making the switch to electric, this refresh makes a strong case. If this review helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest car breakdowns. Share this with someone considering a new EV. They'll appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.